So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Xbox Game Pass not showing in library, missing game troubleshooting guide. So on Xbox console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate to My Games and Apps, then See All. Under Full Library, select Own Games. Select the filter button to change the view to Ready to Install. If uninstalled, titles do not appear, sign out of your profile. Then sign back in to force a sync with Xbox network servers. On Windows PC, sign out and log back in. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner, then select the sign out option. Log back in using your Game Pass credentials. Then check app updates. Open the Microsoft Store, navigate to the library section. Click on Get Update. Ensure the Xbox app is updated to the latest version. Ensure gaming services are updated to the latest version. Then repair the app. Navigate to Windows setting, go to app section and select installed app. Locate Microsoft Store and Xbox app. Click the three dot next to each app. Select advanced option, click repair for both apps. Thanks for watching.